Hello everyone, this is Julius and I'm back with the follow-up results to the Ancestry DNA video that I did about a year ago. And today is September the 20, let me see, September 24th, 2018. And the reason I'm doing this video is because uh, once I did that Ancestry DNA video, there was actually a company that contacted me, and I'm sure many of you are familiar with this company. It's called 23andMe, and they said they were doing some kind of project to some type of little DNA project, and they were wondering if I would be interested in participating in it. They said it would be free of charge for me, and all I would need to do is say, well, all I would need to do to qualify is that both my parents would have to be from the same country, and both sets of my grandparents will also have to be from the same country. So if some of you are watching this for the first time, just a little bit of background. I was born in Tanzania, a country in East Africa. Both my parents were born in Tanzania, and both sets of my grandparents were also born in Tanzania. But I've lived in the U.S. For the past 20 years of my life. So when 23andMe contacted me about this opportunity, I was like, well, there's really no harm in doing it again, especially if it's free. I took them up on their offer. They sent me the kit, put my saliva in the kit, and then I mailed off the kit. It took about 6-7 weeks for the results to come back, and I just got an email from them stating that my results are ready, and so I'm here to see if the results are any different from what I got from Ancestry DNA. So stay tuned while I get those results for you. Also, as I see the results, you will also, as you see the results, I'll also be seeing them for the first time. So stay tuned. So hello everyone, I'm back with the results, and so as you are seeing the results for the first time, I will be seeing them as well. And so here we go. So I got an email, as you can see, from 23andMe stating that my results are ready. And so let's see what they have for me here. Oh, this is interesting right here. Composition. Okay, so this is a little bit different than what I expected. So, as you guys remember from, if you saw my Ancestry DNA video, it came back as not only 100% Sub-Saharan Africa, but it came back as 100% Africa's Southeastern Bantu, which would be all of this location right here. But 23andMe is slightly different. It says I'm 99.8% Sub-Saharan Africa. And the breakdown is Southern East African, which I would assume is the same as Africa's Southeastern Bantu. They put me there at 79.1%. For Congolese, is 10% of my DNA is Congolese. 1.3% of my DNA is Sudanese. 1.2% of my DNA is Nigerian. And let's see the other big numbers. They said 3.6% of my DNA is broadly Congolese and Southeastern African, Southern East African. 1.7% of my DNA is broadly West African, and 1.9% of my DNA is broadly Sub-Saharan Africa. So this is way, way complex. Way complex than what I got with Ancestry DNA. And it's kind of weird that even down here they put me at 0.1% broadly Southern European, which I don't know. To me, that just doesn't make any sense. But hey, these are what the results are telling me. Anything that says I'm less than 1%, anything, I'm not really gonna, you know, I. I don't know. For me personally, I just cannot take it seriously. So here, for all the less than 1% here for the sub-Saharan Africa. You have the broadly northern East African 0.3%. So I would assume that includes Egypt and places like that. Senegambian and Guinean 0.2%. So I would not take that seriously. African hunter-gatherer 0.5%. But then I would assume African hunter-gatherer is the same as Congolese or Central African. So I don't know why they would separate that from Congolese. So that's kind of confusing to me. So overall, I was really satisfied with the results that I saw from 23andMe. I was impressed compared to what I saw from Ancestry DNA. This company was very detailed. They gave me way more than just Africa, Southeastern Bantu, and they were pretty detailed. And so I feel like that's enough for me to be satisfied. Also, considering that I didn't have to pay a single dime for it, I'm really satisfied. Now, the only thing that kind of threw me off was the less than 1% Southern European. But other than that, the results pretty much made sense. And so I will recommend 23andMe to anybody looking to start their DNA journey, finding out where their DNA originates from. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.